Vitamin E benefits and Source. Benefits: moisturizing skin, wound healing, skin cancer prevention, reducing skin itching, eczema, psoriasis, preventing or minimizing the appearance of scars, preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles, sunburn prevention. Nutricology, Delta Fraction, Tocotrienols Review. Description: innovative nutrition, hypoallergenic, dietary supplement. Delta Fraction Tocotrienols 50 mg. Delta Fraction Tocotrienols contains tocotrienols from annatto beans and is free of tocopherols. Tocotrienols have more powerful antioxidant activity than tocopherols. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, 1 or 2 softgels 1 or 2 times daily with meals, or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: rice bran oil, gelatin, glycerin, purified water. Warnings: variations in product color may occur. Keep in a cool, dry place, tightly capped. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.